How to use Mailchimp for newsletters. So to get started, go ahead and open your desktop browser and then visit the Mailchimp website. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up using your email address and you can sign up completely for free. Once you are signed in, this is how your homepage will look like. As you can see, these are some of the features that you can use in Mailchimp. So basically, Mailchimp is a platform that helps individuals and businesses manage their email marketing efforts. In simpler terms, it allows users to create and send emails to a list of subscribers or so called audience. MailChimp is often used by businesses and organizations to engage with their audience, promote products or services, and build relationships through email communication. Now, to use it for newsletters, you have two different options. First is to use MailChimp to create social media posts for you. To do that, go to the left tab of your screen, click on Create, and then choose Social Media Post. Now, input a title for it. I'll just type in Newsletter, click on Begin, and here you can choose whether you want to post it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you can also choose the three. Just make sure that this toggle button is turned on for every platform that you want. Now, tap on Save, and to continue, what we have to do now is to create a layout for the poster or the picture that is attached to our post. If we choose the browser, you will then be directed into your own files, meaning you have to upload your own poster. So if you have a layout prior to this posting, it may be something you created on Photoshop or Canva, or it could be something that you bought on Fiverr or any layouting graphic design. Just upload it here and you can then use it on your post. But if you don't have any layout prepared prior to posting like me, we can use the Creative Assistant button. So go back to the post page and then wait for it to load and then just tap on the Creative Assistant. Just input the link of your site and then tap on this button to let the assistant create a template for you. All you have to do here once you selected a design is to input the titles, input the content, and you can even use another AI tool, the ChatGPT, to create a newsletter or a summary of the newsletter for you. Now, last is the image. You can upload your own image or use the AI tool as well. Once this information are given, a design will be generated and you can now use it for posting. So just click on Input Design and it will then be attached to your post. Last step is to write a caption and you can then post it on the social media platforms that you chose. Now, another way to do this is to send it via email. So click on the Create button again, choose Email, and you can then choose between plain text or template. I highly recommend using templates since it will really help in organizing the information on your newsletter and your email will look so much better visually. The layout overall will be more organized. Now you can browse all throughout this page since MailChimp has a lot of email templates. Just choose one that suits your newsletter content the best. You have here muted palettes, colored templates. Some here are with images. This one is best for product discounts, this one for event invitations, and a lot more. Although you have to pay for a subscription for these templates. So for this video, I'll just choose what's available for free users, but take note that subscribing is really worth it for these templates. So for the free version, this will be the plain text. So go back to the previous page, choose plain text, and then type in a title before starting the email creation. Now, on this page, you have to choose your audience. Audience is basically the people who will receive the email newsletter. So it could either be all of your audience, a segment or tag, or a group. For this one, I'll just send it to everyone since I only have 3 audience. And then tap on Next here on the lower right corner of the screen. Next thing that you need to fill in are some campaign information. So just input the campaign name. This one is the email subject. You also have to input the email preview text. So this is the short sentence beside the title that you can see in your inbox page. And then you also have to put the name of the sender and then some settings for tracking and social media postings. So after filling these out, tap on the next button again. And here is where you will type in the newsletter itself. So again, you can utilize the AI tools for this one. I'll just use ChatGPT again and then copy and paste this newsletter sample. So once you're done editing your plain text, just click on next and you will then be directed into this page. So this is just a summary of all the information that will be sent to your audience. So this is just to check if every part of your newsletter and email is correct. And you have the edit button here on the side just in case there's something to change. If your email is finalized, you can check on this preview button just to see how it looks like. So again, click on this button and you have the desktop and mobile mode. This inbox is only for subscribed members of Mailchimp. Going back, you can also send a test email just to make sure that nothing is wrong with the email. Here on the bottom part, you can either schedule or send the email. However, the schedule option is limited for, again, subscribed members only who are paying for the MailChimp plans. But if ever you will be scheduling, you just have to input the delivery date, the specific time, and here you can also deliver your campaign to a large audience in batch to prevent website crushing click floods. Now, if you are using the free plan, just hit on send. This will be sent to my audience and then click on send now. Just to make sure that it is sent, I will now open the email that is registered as my audience. And as you can see, this is the email of the newsletter in my inbox. So just a little additional, as you delve deeper into email marketing, you can explore MailChimp's advanced features such as automated email sequences, audience segmentation, and integration with other tools like e-commerce platforms. It is a good habit to regularly analyze your email marketing performance by reviewing analytics and reports provided by MailChimp. Make sure to utilize that feature. Under the Analytics tab, you can look for patterns in open rates and click through rates to understand what content resonates most with your audience. Email marketing is an iterative process, so make sure to experiment with different content types, subject lines, and sending schedules. Make sure to stay engaged with your subscribers or audience, and as your mailing list grows, consider implementing personalized and targeted campaigns to further enhance your email marketing strategy. So that is how to use MailChimp for newsletters. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.